Hi everyone, good morning.
Good morning.
My name is Eriberto, and I just want to say I'm really inspired by today's turnout and the magnificent effort that has been done by the Sierra Health Foundation in putting us together on this very special day, which is intended for us to uplift our stories as residents of the San Joaquin Valley. Too often our stories are untold and they're not lifted and they're not really shared, especially here in the legislature. Our work at the UFW Foundation, in collaboration with the Sierra Health Foundation and our partners throughout the Valley, has really been to uplift those stories and work to create a sustainable community for our residents in the San Joaquin Valley. You know, it's our job as advocates, it's our job as community leaders to encourage those new legislators and educate them about our issues. And this is why today is really, really important. I want to highlight a couple of things that happened last year that you guys may or may not know about. Kern County happens to be, and yes, last year was #1 in profit yield in agriculture for the entire state and perhaps even the entire country. #1. They've been making agricultural producers in our region in Kern County, second to Tulare County and third to Fresno County, are making record profits in agriculture. They're producing the bounty, of course, for the country and for the rest of the world. And while we're not opposed to making profits, because that's all good, what we are opposed is that despite all these winnings and earnings and profits, our communities continue to face poverty at levels that are just incredible. 1 of every 4 children in San Joaquin live in a household that suffers from hunger. Still, our communities face a lot of poverty. Our farm workers are earning record low wages, despite its earnings. Farm workers today and workers across the state have less purchasing power than they have in 30 years ago. Farm workers continue to be exposed to pesticides. There's one pesticide in particular that I think we all should be very, very aware about, and that is chlorpyrifos, and that's something that Valerie is going to talk more about. Chlorpyrifos, for those that may not know yet, is a toxic chemical that is applied by the billions throughout the country. Dow Chemical is making a lot of money off of this pesticide. And this pesticide is applied every single day in orchards, in almonds, and citrus, and those are products that we all consume. Now, this pesticide is widely known by health advocates across the country to have detrimental health impacts on children's neurological development. Mothers, farm worker women who are exposed to chlorpyrifos, at early stages of their pregnancy, have a higher likelihood of having a child with autism, lower IQ scores, and just a harder time developing neurologically. And so it is our job as advocates in San Joaquin, and certainly with the UFW Foundation and with our partners across the state, to make sure that we uplift the need to ban chlorpyrifos. And we're calling on California to take a lead in banning this dangerous pesticide once and for all in the state if the federal EPA refuses to do so. President Obama had in the books ready to ban this pesticide. Our president reversed that decision to not pesticide. So it's incumbent upon us as a state of California, as advocates, to lead the way and make sure that we are banning this chemical. If not at the national level, then we can do it here in California, and we certainly need advocates like you to help us along the way. Thank you everybody so much. Keep supporting. Look forward to seeing you outside.